so I hope, oh yeah, there it is. I will do it in English because only the word indicizazione takes me 50 seconds to Anyway, I will talk about search engine optimization, or how to increase organic traffic to your websites from Google. So what will we talk about? First of all, what is search engine optimization? Why is it important? How does Google decide the positioning, the ranking of websites, and how can you improve the ranking of your website in Google? So first of all, what is search engine optimization? As you can see here on the right-hand side, we have paid links, and here we have the natural Google results. Search engine optimization is about improving the ranking of your site in these natural results. So why is it important? It's important because studies have shown that most people actually click the first few results. Like more than 50% click the first result, and there are only very few people that click a site on the second page. So what are the ranking factors Google considers? Basically, it's a very complex algorithm, and taking many factors into account, deciding which sites will be number one. But the most important factors are actually if the word somebody types into Google is present in the URL, in the title, and in the content of the site, and if many sites are linking to your site. These are a few of the most important things. Okay, as an example, I took this blog article on Agricoltura Sposa da Terra. I think many of you have a blog, so this is a great article, but it had very few visits, so let's see why. Okay, what's the first step to do when you write an article, make a section on your site? Think about what people will look for in Google to find your article. So what does a bride with bad hair and a little money will look for in Google? Maybe Agricoltura Sposa, maybe Capelli Matrimonio, maybe whatever. So there's actually a cool tool from Google which can help you with this research. You can type in like diverse versions of keywords and see which one has the most traffic. So if you find the keyword that has actually the highest search volume, you have to make sure that you use this keyword, for example, in the title of your article. So instead of using nice, cute titles, better to use boring titles and actually have the keywords in them. So also important to use the keywords in the URL. So instead of using numbers and dates, use actually specific keywords in the URL. So also use the keywords in your meta description. What is your meta description? It's actually the line you see below the title in the search results. Important that you use there also important keywords, and also important that it invites people to actually click on it. So make it a catching phrase so people will actually click on the results. Then, of course, use the keywords that people are looking for in your article, like in the headers. Also, the first paragraph is an important place for Google where it looks for important keywords. Use them in bold and make sure that around 2% of your page consists of these keywords. Then, if you make use of images and videos, also there you could do some work to optimize for Google. For example, use the keywords in your image URL or in the alt text. Then another important point is linking. Link from one article to another on your blog, for example, or link to external important sites like Wikipedia, or in this case Matrimonio.it. That's seen as very important for Google. Then, of course, it's also very important to get incoming links to your site. That's the most difficult part. How do you do that? Creating really interesting content, like video content, how-to articles like these. And then the last point is, if you make links, make sure that they're actually textual links, so that you're able to click words instead of including the plain URL. They're called anchor text links, and that's very important for Google for link positions. And then lastly is basically measure what you do. So use, for example, Google Analytics to see for which types of keywords people come into your site, and yes, where you can improve basically. So just to, I thought I cut out all these special effects and they're still here. They made my life okay. So just to summarize, make sure you know what your visitors are looking for. Use these words everywhere and link. And one last advice is basically to, of course, not spam your site with keywords, but write about something you're passionate about. That's always the easiest. And anyway, this went very fast. If you have any other questions, check out my website or add me on Twitter, and I can give some more customized advice maybe for your blog.